Tired of seeing the same landscapes? Want to visit a place that completely blows your mind away and makes you question how and why? Here are some travel destinations where the laws of physics seem to abandon the world. Number 1. Phantom Island. There is an island on Google Maps that keeps appearing and disappearing, leaving scientists completely confused. An obscure piece of land located between Australia and an island named New Caledonia called Sandy Island has been an enigma for many years. Details of this island were first published in British explorer Captain James Cook's chart of discoveries in the South Pacific Ocean, all the way back in 1776. Exactly 100 years later, in 1876, a ship that was out to hunt and catch whales called Velocity also reported seeing the island. This was consequently reflected in several 19th century maps in England and Germany. Then, it was once again spotted in 1895, with the island believed to be 24 kilometers long and 5 kilometers wide. Number 2. The Bermuda Triangle. Mind-boggling disappearances of ships and aircrafts. This is what immediately comes to mind at the mere mention of the Bermuda Triangle. Its reputation is so notorious that people have even tried to link it to the 2014 disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, even though the jet went missing halfway around the world. For decades, speculations have been aplenty about what transpires at this infamous triangular area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, but none are conclusive. Interestingly, for a place that is famous, or infamous globally, the Bermuda Triangle has no official standing. It is not recognized by the United States Board of Geographic Names. Nonetheless, this mysterious triangular area has more than enough monikers to compensate for this. To name but a few, it has been popularly referred to as the Devil's Triangle, the Twilight Zone, the Magic Rhombus, the Triangle of Death, the Voodoo Sea, the Limbo of the Lost, and even the Port of Missing Ships. Number 3. Balancing Rock of Mahabalipuram. Krishna's Butterball is a curious tourist attraction in Mahabalipuram, a town about 60 kilometers south of Chennai famous for its stone carvings. The Butterball is a giant balancing rock, 5 meters in diameter, perched on a smooth slope, seemingly defying all laws of physics. The rock's awkward position makes it quite popular with locals and tourists alike, as it makes for an interesting backdrop for some wacky photographs. It's a common sight to see visitors placing hands under the stone posing for pictures, which looks as though they are holding it up. The rock provides welcome shade if you dare to sit underneath it, and local kids have discovered that the slippery nearby hillside also makes a great natural slide. Number 4. Hoover Dam, Nevada, USA. Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River, on the border between the U.S. states of Nevada and Arizona. It was constructed between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression and was dedicated on September 30, 1935, by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Hoover Dam in Nevada, USA is one such place where gravity doesn't seem to exist at all. Don't believe us? Well then, try this experiment if you ever happen to visit this place. Stand near the dam and pour water from a bottle over the dam. You will see for yourself that instead of going down, water starts flowing upward. Yes, you heard us right. This phenomena happens because of the very powerful updraft that the structure of the dam creates, whereas the water is carried upward by the wind. Sounds interesting, right? Number 5. Magnetic Hill, Ladakh, India. Magnet Hill is a gravity hill located near Leh in Ladakh, India. The layout of the area and surrounding slopes create the optical illusion of a hill. The hill road is actually a downhill road. Objects and cars on the hill road may appear to roll uphill in defiance of gravity when they are, in fact, rolling downhill. It is 7.5 kilometers southeast of Nimmu and 26.5 kilometers west of Leh on Srinagar Ladakh Road. Interestingly, if you put your vehicle in neutral gear and turn off the engine, it will start moving slowly on its own. You have to try this to believe it. While many believe in the magical properties of this area, others are of the opinion that this is created because of the optical illusion created by the area's layout. Well, that's exactly why we call this incredible India. Don't wait any further. Get onto one of those long flights, and embark on what may prove to be the most magical and exciting holiday you have ever been on. If you felt that video is interesting and useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.